Hello, my name is Josué. I'm studying at UAT-UAMRA in Engineer Petrochemical Process, and I'm going to talk about the ammonium process, uses, and the complex that produce it.
Definition of ammonia. Ammonia, also known as NH3, is a colorless gas with a characteristic odor composed of nitrogen and hydrogen atoms. It occurs naturally in the human body and in nature, in water, soil, and air, and even in small molecules of bacteria. In a human health, ammonia and ammonium ion are vital components of metabolic process. Ammonia is produced naturally by the action of bacteria in the soil or in animals and plants that are in the process of decomposition. Even in reduced quantity, it is present in the atmosphere. It can also be obtained at industrial level. The first part to obtain the ammonia synthesis is the steam reforming, starting from natural gas constituted by a mixture of hydrocarbons being 90% methane to obtain the hydrogen necessary for the synthesis of ammonia NH3. Among the different uses of ammonia, which is usually marketed in liquid state, is the production of fertilizers, paper, plastic, cleaning products, and explosives. On the other hand, ammonia is used in the treatment of textile fibers and wood, as fuel, and even in food products to prevent the emergence of microbes. Ammonia is a critical element for ammonium nitrate fertilizers to release nitrogen. An essential nutrient for growing plants include agriculture crops and lawns. Uses. About 90% of the ammonia produced is used in fertilizers to maintain food production for billions of people around the world. The production of food crops consumes soil nutrient supplies in order to keep the crops healthy. Uses. Most of the part of ammonia, 80%, is destined to the manufacture of fertilizers like ammonium nitrate, ammonium salts, and urea. Another uses of ammonia includes fabrication of nitric acid, HNO3, nylon, polyurethanes, cryogenic gas, and cleaning domestic products. How to produce ammonia? There are a lot of processes behind the method of Haber process to produce ammonia like steam reforming from natural gas, desulfurization, catalytic reforming, primary reformer, purification, conversion stage, elimination of CO2 stage, methanization stage, and ammonia synthesis. Examples: reformer, 2-stage. When we have an adequate natural gas, we continue to do a catalytic reforming with steam water. Then when the natural gas mixes with steam, it's in this moment then can get reforming process that can be separated in 2 stages. Desulfurization. But before the reforming, we have to relate the sulfide that the natural gas contains, using lime as a feedstock helping to remove the sulfide by the process of absorption. Conversion stage. The next step is get the mixture into a convert when it's cooled somewhere the CO is transforming in CO2 by a reaction with the water steam. Purification. The process to obtaining ammonia requires a synthesis gas at great purity. That's why it's necessary to eliminate the CO and CO2 gases. How to produce ammonia? The process by which ammonia is obtained gets its name from the chemists who designed it. First, Haber and Carl Bosch. This process is the result of the direct combination between nitrogens coming from the atmosphere and hydrogens from natural gas, but in gaseous state. This reaction occurs slowly since it requires a large amount of activation energy, as a consequence of the chemical stability of nitrogens. To accelerate the reaction, a catalyst is used and the pressures and the temperature at which it occurs are increased. The ammonia obtained in this way is used in the preparation of fertilizers such as ammonium nitrate or ammonium sulfate. Another quite frequent use is a cleaning product. Thanks to the degreasing properties, it useful in the removal of difficult spots. Complex is in use since the Kosolakake complex began operation in 1962 with the first ammonia producing plant that produced 450 tons per day. The production of Kosolakake has been in decline since 1992 when 2,287,280 tons were produced per year, amount that exceeded the national needs and reason why Mexico was the main exporter of fertilizers in Latin America. As of 1997, due to the high cost of natural gas and the low cost of the ammonia ton, the government policy was only to produce for the national market. Reason why production declined to 1,824,881 tons per year. Capacity of the complex. The Kosolakake petrochemical complex is the only producer of ammonia in the country. Its production is 1,200 tons per plant. Now we work with 2 plants and we are producing 2,400 tons per day, said the engineer Ariel Morales Herrera, manager of the complex. And now the Kosolakake petrochemical complex has 6 spheres with a global capacity of 11,000 tons of ammonia. Its distribution is made by 10-inch pipelines to the birth terminal at a distance of 27 kilometers and to the terminal of Salina Cruz, Oaxaca, with a distance of 256 kilometers. Also by autotanks, ammonia is sent to the other parts of the country. Thanks to watching my video and have a good day.